Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Aysha Ayoob. So I'm back with another video. So today, what will be happening here? So today we are going to enhance our study techniques. Okay, so exams are on the way and we all are so much confused, tensed and everything. So let's remove all the fear from our mind. By using these 4 techniques, we can study easier, like without any kind of stress or anything, and let's score good marks in our exam. So let's begin. Okay, so firstly let's come and discuss, let's discuss about the technique number 1. So this is called the traffic light technique. So traffic light technique, what is traffic light technique? So how many lights does the traffic light have? 1, 2, 3. Yay, 3 lights. So it's coming like red, yellow and green. So in your syllabus, in our syllabus, what we have to do is the green light. Okay, just imagine the green light as the hard questions or the high weightage, it carries more marks. Hard questions, and the yellow one you can make it as medium questions. And then the yellow is medium questions and the red one is the easy questions, the low weightage ones. So we will be categorizing this into 3 parts, 3 categories, and we will be studying it. So if for example you're using everybody might have the home study book. So in the beginning you can just draw a traffic light, and after you finish every hard questions, just tick the green part, then the yellow part, then the red part. So we are making into parts, so we'll get in order how to study. So this is so much helpful. Okay, anyway, let's go to the technique number 2. Okay, so what is technique number 2? The record method. So many class test and dictation and everything is over. So so we might have made some mistakes. For example, in the last exam, the maths exam was a bit hard for me and I made mistakes. So this time, while I'm preparing, I'll recall the questions which I made mistakes and I'll just rectify it by studying it, by memorizing it and everything. And I'll make sure that I am ready with that question. I'm very much thorough with that question. So when you recall, you're rectifying your old mistakes. So when the same questions repeats or some question about the topic is coming, you can write it nicely. Now let's go to technique number 3. So technique 3 is time saver method. So before discussing this, I need to call a person here. Amna?
Yes, Tata.
Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, so this is my sister. What's your name?
My name is Amna.
Okay, so she's Amna. Amna, okay. So firstly, let's say what is time saver method. Then I'll say why she's here now. Okay, so time saver method. This is a method where you make your chapter into 2 parts. The lengthy question parts and the small questions. So one will be so long and the other one will be easy. So why I called Amna here? Might be waiting, right? Anyway, so in the hard question, in the questions, you'll be having some doubt, right? I can memorize this or I don't know, something like that. So I call her, and for example, we are having 5 questions. So I just write in one paper, I'll write the questions and the other paper, the answers. And I'll be like, Amna, you need the first question, second question, third question, fourth question, or the 5th question. So she'll be choosing this and I'll say, she'll be she'll be just nodding her head, even she doesn't understand a word. But still, she is a very big support for me. She's the only one who is fighting with me every time, but still loves me a lot. Am I right, Amna?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what I call her. So this is helpful. A person is there to help you and to ask you questions. So I'll say, she will not check whether that's correct or not correct. I'll just say, but I'll remember what I said. Then I'll take and I'll check what I said and is that correct and everything. So anyway, this is a great method, okay, like making it into 2 parts and making someone ask or anything like that. Amna, you may go. You can go and play. Continue your work. Okay, now let's go to the last technique. Technique number 4. So this is called last minute preparation. So when I say this, like I feel, kind of regret feeling, because once in my class test, like there was a class test in our school for English, and teacher asked us to by heart 5 questions, the questions and the answers. So like I by hearted the 4 questions, and I thought I'll study the 5th one in the class, and then like when I reached and I just studied fast. So the thing is, like, we'll forget what we learned, the past questions, the 4 questions, and everything got messed up. Everything was mixed up and messed up, and I was so much confused. But after that, I didn't repeat it because I knew all these would happen, and I got a lesson, something like a lesson. So let's avoid this last minute preparation. Now it's time to conclude our video. These are the 4 techniques which is absolutely helpful while exams are coming and for the exams and everything. Okay, anyway, so please like, share, and please write something in the comment box, because it's a big encouragement and support for me. So please do it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and share it to your friends and relatives. I'll be coming with another video. Bye and Assalamu Alaikum.